Dear students, today I am explaining to give the single phase energy meter connections. So this meter is, name of the make of this meter is Visiontek. Some different companies will be there. Visiontek, L&T company, HPL, like this. So I have taken the Visiontek meter, but the process of connection is common for all types of meters. Now you have seen here 5 to 30 amps. The rating of the current ranges from 5 amps to 30 amps maximum. Minimum current 5 amps. Maximum 30 amps. Up to that it is able to withstand. This meter can measure the electrical energy. Okay, now I will give the connections and now I am showing to how should we give the connections. First you have to take the two wires, one is for phase, another is for neutral. Generally for phase we have taking the red wire, for neutral we are taking black color. Now I am taking the screwdriver and I am losing the nuts inside the meter. Now you need to keep the phase wire first. And tight the screws. After the phase you need to connect to the neutral wire. See here, dear students, the meter has the 4 terminals, 1, 2, 3, 4. These last 2 terminals are giving to the house outgoing terminals. These 2 are giving to our distribution board in our house or main switch. These first 2 terminals are incoming terminals from the power source. From the pole, these 2 wires are connected to the pole. So one is from phase red, another one from neutral black. These 2 wires should be connected to the pole. From pole to power is passing and reaching here incoming. From these 2 outgoing supply, these 2 terminals. So neutral, after first one is phase terminal, second one neutral terminal, third terminal is also has to give neutral terminal, and final one phase terminal. So now these 2 terminals are load. I am connecting to the load as bulb. I am connecting. One is I am taking as neutral, other one phase. And tight the screws. The third terminal is the neutral wire and fourth terminal is the phase. So I have given the 4 terminal connections. So first terminal is phase terminal, second terminal is incoming neutral terminal, the third terminal is also outgoing neutral terminal, fourth is phase outgoing terminal. So any meter has 4 terminals. First 2 are incoming from the pole, last 2 are load terminals to your house, giving to main switch or distribution box in your house. These two are connected to, this is the service wire. It is not the service wire. I have taken the just for load, but practically for your houses you are bringing the service wire, and service wire has given to here first 2 terminals. These 2 are connected to the pole. So for this load I need the power supply for blowing this bulb. So I am taking here one plug. Here I am connecting the incoming supply. See here. Whenever I am giving the incoming supply, I am giving the incoming supply. The 2 terminals here, see, you can see the tester will show here glowing, so it is the phase. Here it is not glowing, neutral. That terminal is also neutral. Again you can keep here and see it is glowing, so it is the phase. So see the schematic diagram also. So for finding without this tester you can find easily by using the voltage detector. So it will detect the phase or neutral very easily. It is available in the market from 500 rupees to 800 rupees from different companies. So from this also you can observe, for neutral it will show the just 2 points. For phase continuously it will blink. So you can keep here near the phase red how it is blinking. So from this voltage detector you can find easily a phase wire and the neutral wire. For neutral only 1 or 2 points it will indicate. On these 6 points, out of 6 points, neutral will indicate 1 or 2 points only it will show. For phase continuously all points and without the gap it will blinking. So continuously it is blinking. So it is the phase. So in this way you can identify the phase and neutral. For neutral only how many points? 2 points. It is the voltage detector. Now what I am doing is, many times you are getting the return supply, like suppose I am disconnecting the wire from anywhere. Suppose here I am disconnecting the wire. See here, now the bulb is glowing. Now what I am doing, the neutral I am disconnecting. The bulb is not glowing. Why? Because the circuit is open. The electric current passes only in closed circuit. When the circuit is closed, then only current will pass through the circuit. Now I have disconnected this one. What happens? The circuit becomes open. It becomes a open circuit. That is the reason why the electric current will not pass. And now if you can take the tester and check it, when it is disconnected, at that time in the neutral also it will show the current like a phase. Take the phase, how many points? 6 points. Here is also how many points? 6 points, the voltage detector. Why? Actually neutral doesn't show 6. Why it is showing? After disconnecting from the power source, in neutral also the power is passing, so it is also becomes a phase, so there is no neutral. So that is the reason why the bulb is not glowing. The bulb has the two terminals, one is phase and neutral. If the neutral is not there, how the bulb will glow? From only one, how it is possible? It is not possible. So whenever you are getting the all terminals, whatever the terminal, first two terminals you can check it. First terminal phase, okay. Second is also coming like this, tester is showing power, and third terminal it is showing the power, and fourth terminal it is also showing the power. So why? Because it is showing, because the neutral has been disconnected here. So at that time what we have to do? We removing the load and check it where the neutral has been disconnected inside of your house, either, or at the pole. On the pole you have given phase and neutral, they are tightly wounded to the pole. So the LT line from the single phase drum, it is coming. For that LT line from your house with the service wire connection you have, the alignment has tightly wounded around that phase separate, and for neutral it has wounded tightly. So when it has been rusted to bimetallic form, due to rust formation also sometimes it will show the phase also, and neutral also it will show the power supply. So you have to again climbing the pole, you need to again with this cutting blade you need to remove the skin of the wire, and again you need to fresh skin removing, you need to tightly wound around the, so that work will be done by the lineman. Now I will show to you, if I am, suppose I am again, it is disconnecting. Suppose here you can see it, supply is there, you have should be very careful. See dear students, now what I am doing is I am connecting here. So now we can see it, I am keeping. Why? The bulb has glown before it has disconnected. When it is disconnected, the bulb is not glowing because there is no neutral, only phase is available. At the four terminals it will show the power supply. Now after I am connecting both phase and neutral, the circuit becomes closed circuit. Whenever the circuit is closed, the electric current will passes from one terminal to another terminal and reaches to the load, and the bulb will glow. For this you should not leave it, you need to around this wire insulation. Take the insulation tape and you need to wound it. So I think you can understand the concept. The electric current will passes only in the closed path. The electric current does not passes from in the open circuit. What is the conventional current direction? Always the electric current, conventional current direction passes from positive terminal to the negative terminal. So here the electrons flows in the opposite direction of the current, from negative to positive. I think you can understand the directions of conventional current direction and directions of electrons. Okay, dear students, if you like this project, you can subscribe my channel. Like and share my channel. Subscribe my channel if you like it.